Hi everyone, this is Marcia from Marcia's Fab Life, and today I'm going to do a collaboration with my friends from YouTube, Amanda O'Inns, Michelle Osgood and Emma's Lifestyle. So we're going to make a hamper basket on a budget. If you can like, comment and subscribe, I really appreciate it. So here's a basket I got from Poundland, and I'm going to put in some tissue paper in there, put it in as best as I can. Line that in there, and I'm going to put in this Best Dad picture frame, well, canvas I should say, I keep saying that, and this. Also, I'm going to put in the cup and our friendly Mr. Bear as well. If he can fit, maybe I'll put it in this way. Yep. Yeah, that's it. So that is one hamper basket, and this, you know, is a good price. This is about under £10 as well for this basket. So this is basket number one. I'm going to try and do another one as well. So this is the tin that I got from Poundland again, and this one was £1. Sorry for the rustling, but you know how tissue paper is. So I'm going to put this in here. Wonder if it can go in like that. Maybe not. Just take that and put to the side. I'm going to put in this one and this, and the socks, and also little cup I got from Poundland, and this hip flask as well I'm going to put in here. I think I should put that. Yeah, I think I'll put it right there. And that's basket number two. If you want to, you can put it like this and put that up behind it. And this basket I'm doing is a home bargain one, but obviously this one is Poundland for the basket. I'm going to put in this in here. I'm going to put in the apron, the dad taxi. Also, I'm going to put in this notepad, well, notes for gentlemen anyway, organizer. Put that in there, and if you want to, you can put the card in here, which, you know, you can put it here or there. Actually, I might put that there. Yeah, that's it. And put that there. And also, I'm going to put in this dad fuel cup. And I'm going to put in this key ring. So that's hamper number 3. So I hope you like this one. And this one is hamper number 4. I'm going to use the tissue paper again. So sorry about the rustling of the tissue paper, but there's nothing I can do about that. So this is the whiskey. Oh, that one's it's trying to, but it's not. Yeah, I think we better put something else in here quickly before it tipples over. Can't have that. And this is the dad one, and the toolkit as well. Hi everyone, this is Marcia. I'm back again. So these are the gift hamper baskets I've made. So I would like to say a big thank you to the collaboration that I've done with my beautiful friends on YouTube, Amanda O Ince, Emma's Lifestyle, Michelle Osgood, and if you can like and subscribe to their channel, the links are down below in the description box. Bye.